In today's video, I will teach you how to get muted tones in Lightroom. Let's get started. Muted tones create a soft, cinematic, and timeless look without making your photos feel dull. The key is to reduce vibrancy while maintaining depth and contrast, and here's how to do it step by step. The first step is lowering vibrancy but not saturation. To do this, go to the Develop module or simply press D on your keyboard. And in the basic panel, go to Vibrance and reduce it to -20 to -50. This lowers the intensity of bright colors while keeping skin tones natural. Then go to Saturation and reduce it to -5 to -20, which lowers all colors equally. But use this sparingly to avoid a washed out look. Vibrance is better for a soft effect without making everything look lifeless. The second step is adjusting the tone curve for a soft look. To do this, go to the Tone Curve panel and create the gentle S-curve. Start by lifting the shadow slightly to add a faded film-like effect. Then lower the highlight slightly to soften the bright areas. Then adjust the midtones to maintain contrast. For a vintage faded effect, lift the black point by dragging the bottom left of the curve slightly upward. The third step is using the HSL to desaturate selected colors. In the HSL panel, reduce saturation for certain colors. For oranges, reduce it to -5 to -20 for softer skin tones. And for green, reduce it to -20 to -50 for less vibrant grass or leaves. And for blues, reduce it to -10 to -30 to subdue the sky tones. And avoid over-desaturating everything. Leave some contrast between colors for a natural look. The fourth step is adding subtle split toning for depth. To do this, go to the Color Grading panel, then go to Shadows and add a hint of blue or green for depth. And for highlights, add a warm tone like peach or gold. Then adjust the balance to control the effect. This helps mute tones while keeping them visually interesting. And the fifth step is reducing clarity for a soft look. You can lower the clarity to -5 to -20 to smooth details and avoid harsh contrast. Then adjust the texture to -5 to -15 to soften skin and fine details. But take note that too much negative clarity can make the image look blurry, so make sure to use it lightly. And for final touches for a professional look, lower the contrast slightly to -15 if needed for an extra soft look. And add grain at around 10 to 30 in the Effects panel for a subtle film-like texture. Then use the radial filters or simply press Shift-M on your keyboard to brighten key areas and draw attention to the subject. By following these steps, you'll achieve beautiful muted tones in Lightroom while keeping your photos stylish and visually engaging. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.